So good morning to my dear beloved students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Children, I've always been saying that you're very, very precious to this school. Precious because you are the students of this school. And secondly, you are in grade 10. And 10th is a very, very important class. I specifically wanted to talk to you because I wanted you to realize that we have very little time left with us. And in this little time, come what may, we should be working very, very hard. I've been saying time and again, what if you didn't study earlier? Fine, it's okay. Have a change of heart now. Start studying right away. Some of us are doing extremely well. There are others who are not doing that well. In such cases, I want you to realize this. This is that examination whose marks have to be mentioned in everything, and every position where you go, your 10th class marks need to be written. You want to take admission in a college, you have to write your 10th class marks. You know, it's once for all those marks. You get 90%, it will remain 90%. You get 75%, it remains 75%. And if you get 60%, 60, and if you get less than that, less than that. So when we talk about the targets, when we say we should be getting more than 90%, fine. But there is a lower target also. And that lower target is none of you should get less than 60%. And I'm so sure that everybody can get 70% minimum in all the subjects. So God be with you, and you should be working hard. Now, in this short time which is left, what can we do? You specifically have to take care of your health. Alright? You should not fall sick. You should not catch cold. You should not be eating outside and your stomach get upset and you waste your time. Because now we have no time to waste. We just have time to study, and that's all. Nothing else. You should be very, very focused that I have to study. When is your first paper? Which date?
25.
One person.
25.
25?
25.
20th February. And which is that? It's IT?
Yes.
IT?
IT.
Okay, IT. Fine, IT. After that, when is your second paper? 24. So if we look at it, we hardly have a month in hand with us. Okay? If you need some help in a particular subject, please talk to your coordinator. Talk to your class teacher and say, ma'am, we just have not understood this particular topic in this particular chapter. I promise you, your teachers are of the type who are really, really going to win. Okay? So do not think that, if I ask now and I didn't pay attention in the class and I was disturbing the class a little bit, it's okay. You are our children, you faltered, fine. But remember, we are still your teachers and we still want you to do very, very well. So please share with the teachers that this is it out. And another thing which you have to keep in mind is that you should be studying a lot. A lot means revision and a re-revision and a re-revision. We can revise it in our head also. I've been talking about it. But you can revise it in your head only when you have done a thorough revision as such. Make sure that you have pen and paper in hand when you're doing your revision. Mathematics can never be read. It has to be solving problems. So please make sure, we keep shying away from this, that even my maths copy, I can just read the sums. It doesn't work. You have to go through the problem of experience of solving a problem. Sometimes you get the right answer, sometimes you may not have that answer. So the tricks of the trade, how to solve a particular problem, is only through the experience of solving. So if you have not solved so far, please start solving. You want some special extra classes, we'll organize some special extra classes for you. You want to go for some self-study, fine, let us know about it, you can go for some self-study. And if you want that, instead of this subject, please, we want some more classes on this subject, we can go for it. Another thing is, once your revisions are done, if you can sit for mock 3 hours paper, right? We have some sample papers which the CBSE has given. There are some changes this time, so we really have to focus on it. I requested the coordinator that if only we could share all these sample papers in teams. All of you are in Teams, Microsoft Teams?
Yes.
So in case you are not, please make sure you download the Teams app and you join Teams. The class teams are there as such. In the class teams, the teachers are going to put these sample papers. At your convenience, please make sure you see that you know the answers of all the questions. In case you don't know the answers, please ask your teachers. Remember, there's only one thing, and that one thing is we just want to help you. We are not your critics. We are not your enemies. We just want to facilitate you doing extremely, extremely well in your career. The time which flies never comes back. So the time which we have of 1 month, if you can make the best use of this time, even now, things would be so good. Alright? So please make sure we make the best use of the time. So if I sum it up, some of the things which I've said so far is, one is, your health is a priority to you. You are not going to fall sick, right? You're going to keep yourself warm. You're not going to eat something from the market which may cause some stomach upset and you waste your time. You're going to eat the food at home. Try to do it, please. Alright? And you're going to do thorough revision. And in school, if you have any doubt, any problem, you're going to ask your teachers who are going to definitely help you. Alright? And all sample papers would be there in the teams, and you have to make sure you attend the sample papers. That mock appearing for the paper is very good. So you should put your clock or your watch on the table, sit for 3 hours and solve the social science paper. Or sit for 3 hours and solve the maths paper. You will come to know where you are going wrong. Because only if we know where we are wrong, only if we know where I want to improve ourselves, only then you would be able to improve yourself. But if you really don't know where to improve, how would you improve yourself? Okay? So please make sure these mock papers we go for. We come to mathematics again. In case you feel, I've requested Nitin Madam to take one of the classes, maths as such. I think 10 B, there is no mathematics going on for some time.
Yes.
So Madam is going to go in all the regular period, and Vandana Madam is going to come in the zero period. Zero period is short, we're starting little late. So please, ma'am, if you can tell Paramjeet, ma'am, take the timetable and in those particular period, please go and teach mathematics. And Nitin Madam is a fantastic teacher, she's very helpful. Organize, plan, and make sure that you will do the mathematics. We cannot neglect the languages. The Hindi, Punjabi, and the English language cannot be neglected. We take it for granted that they are very easy and we don't have to work hard on it. But the matter of the fact is that even Hindi is of 100 marks, English is also of 100 marks, and Punjabi is also of 100 marks. We cannot neglect any of it. Of course, we have the first language, the second language preferences. So definitely in all the subjects, we should be working very hard. The languages are important, and in the languages also, the grammar portion is pretty scoring when it comes to Hindi and Punjabi. Please make sure you revise that time. Okay? So, we keep coming to the school, we plan it out, how long we expect you to come in the school, but we would like to make the best use of the time when you come into the school. You really know after the 2 pre-board examinations, you really know which subject you're not doing well. I have the result sheet with me, I was going through it in some areas. We need to work on it. We'll be discussing with the teachers, chalk out a plan, how we can revise certain things again and again. Now the purpose is revision. Every day is an important day. It should not be, I just don't know how my day passed off. So once you're back at home, you should be sitting for about 6 to 8 hours and studying. You must study, children. This is your report card. This is your examinations. If we could sit in your place, definitely we would have sat. Your teachers could have given you exams. Your parents would have given you exams, but that doesn't happen. That's not the real life. You have to sit for those 3 hours, and in those 3 hours, you'll be checked for the entire year's performance. So if that is the system, we adopt that system. And make sure that you work very hard, and you do not falter. All your subjects are important, make sure you do. Okay? Now, anybody wants to say something? Any special requirement from any one of you that we need to have this class as a little more? You talk to your teachers for sure. I'm sure they can talk over, discuss with the coordinator, little manner, and we all can together work and have that particular classes a little more. During the examination, when I talk about 3 hours, the 15 minutes which are given to you, they are very, very important. Don't sit and stare around during those 15 minutes. 15 minutes are specifically for you to go through the paper. Make sure you do it. Sometimes after the 3 hours, what happens is, after the 3 hours, you realize, oh, I made a mistake. Actually, I didn't read the question paper well. None of you should be saying after the 3 hours that you did not read the question paper well. So in 15 minutes, 100% you should read the question paper well. And then visualize, oh, I know this, here I might take a little time, here I might take a little time. And your answer sheet should be marvelous. Don't write, overwrite, and if you have to cut something, cut with the simple line. How we present our answer sheet is very, very important. If it is convenient and easy for the external examiner to read, then it will be very good. But if it is not convenient and easy for the external to read, then that person will not be very happy. Layout should be very good. After every answer, leave two lines so that we can differentiate between two answers. If we write very, very close, make small handwriting, right in the corner or something, your answer may not be checked and you might lose some marks. So how you attempt the question paper is very important. 15 minutes, reading very, very good. After every answer, you're going to leave 2 lines, that is for sure. If you have to cut out something, you're going to cut down with 1 line only. Alright? Sometimes what happens, you've done some question and then you say, I think that was not correct, and in the end you do another question, the same question again. If you do not want the external examiner to check your first question, please put a line across it. Otherwise, whichever is the first attempt, you get marks for that and not for the second attempt. Alright? Please keep all these things in mind. Neat, clean paper, written nicely, no overlapping, no cutting, follow a particular sequence and then do it. Okay? So when you're doing it, suppose there's a small answer, you don't know, leave those approximate lines. Move on to the next and then you can always do it later on. But do not do it that there are 3 portions of a particular question, so you write 2 portions and then the third part of that question you want to do once you finish the entire paper. The checker may not be able to locate it and you might lose on it. Okay? Try to leave some space and then if you get the time, you remember it, write down there only in sequence. So these are the small things which you have to keep in mind. I take this opportunity to wish you. I would leave only when all of you raise your hand and promise me that you're going to work hard. Alright? Promise me? Yes. We promise you, ma'am, you're going to work hard? Yes. So, I appreciate. So you have to say the full sentence. We understand we will going to work hard. Thank you very much. You are my beloved students, my lovely children, my best students. And with best and great teachers with you, I'm sure we are all going to perform very, very well in the examinations. May 2020 be a year where you write history, where your record percentages are there. God bless. Thank you so much.